Hi, this is Andy Bryce of Easy Data Transform, and I'm going to show you how to clean up a dirty data file. So here we have an example Excel file, and as with most real-world data, it's got a few problems. For example, a missing customer ID, inconsistent case in the contact name column, nulls, an inconsistent phone number format, and some values in the payment column have dollar signs and some don't. We can easily clean all this up with Easy Data Transform. Let's drag the file onto Easy Data Transform. Let's look at the characters in the file. So here we can see we have a few issues. We have some currency symbols, and if we hover over the cell we get some examples. A non-ASCII character and some double white spaces that we probably don't want. So let's start off by getting rid of the double spaces. We can do that using a white space transform. Here we can see convert consecutive spaces to one space has been checked. And let's apply the transform to all columns. And look at the characters again. So now we can see the double spaces are gone. Next, let's get rid of the currency symbols using a replace transform. So we've replaced currency symbols with nothing to remove them. And we can see the currency symbols are gone. Let's also get rid of this non-ASCII character in the city name. Now let's standardize the case in contact name using a case transform. And set its title case. And get rid of the nulls in region. Again, we can use a replace transform. Let's tidy up the phone numbers a bit. Note we can also use regular expressions to do a more sophisticated job of this, but let's just stick with getting rid of the extra characters for now. So let's look at what values we have in each column. Here in the customer ID we can see we have 2 empty values, so we need to fix that. We can also look at other columns. They all look okay. So let's add a filter to get rid of any rows with no customer ID. Finally, let's output our cleaned up data. We'll do it to a CSV file. And we could save this transform file to use again. If we have lots of files to clean, we can do it in a batch operation. See our batch processing video for more details. This was a very small example, but Easy Data Transform can handle data with millions of rows. Easy Data Transform is available for Windows and Mac. You can download a fully functional free trial from our website. It only takes a few seconds and you don't even have to give us your email address.